I'm going to show you how to get Asana integrated with Jira in just 5 easy steps using Unito's platform. Let's take a look. All right, so inside of Unito, we're going to create a flow. First step is to connect to your tools. We're going to click on Start here. Then we're going to select our tool that we want to sync with, Jira. Make sure you log in, choose your project. Any project will work. On the other side, pick your other receiving tool. We're going to do Asana and pick a project over there. Next, pick if you want to do one-way or two-way sync. And if you're going to do one-way, you have to pick your direction. I'm going to do two-way sync because that's best. Now you're going to determine what gets synced when. These are the triggers. So you're going to pick whenever a task is created in Jira, I want it to go over to Asana. And so you get to pick the conditions. You can add rules or you can do specific actions. I'm going to leave the defaults, but you're able to do quite a few things. So check out all the different rules. You can do actions on specific fields and whatnot. Again, I'm just going to keep the defaults and go to confirm. Next step, we're going to map our fields. Now I'm going to let Unito do this all for us. And so all I need to do is confirm that this looks good, but you can change these if you only want them to go one way or the other way, or I would always keep the bidirectional. The only time it's not going to work is if a field only exists in one but doesn't exist in the other. So you may need to do some configurations there. Once you have all this set up correctly, you can click confirm. And now all you need to do is launch your flow. Once it's launched, you're going to be able to sync bidirectionally, and I'm going to show you that demo next. Inside of Jira, I'm going to create a task. This is a task for Asana. And I'm going to hit create. So this task is officially created inside of Jira. Over on the Unito app, a sync is going to be initiated and it's going to start syncing, as you can see here. Once the sync is done, we can go over to Asana and you're going to see that the task is now here. Now, because this is a bidirectional sync, I am now going to add a comment in this side on the Asana side. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it goes over to Jira. So I'm just going to open up this task. I'm going to come down to the comments. This is my first synced comment. I'm going to click on comment. And just like we did earlier, Unito is going to pick up this change. It's going to start syncing, and then it's going to come over to Jira. So let's look at that. I'm going to do a quick refresh. Then I'm going to open up this task. And all the way at the bottom, here is a synced comment from Asana. And that, my friends, is how you sync Jira and Asana in 2.5 minutes.